Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are diving deep into a definitive four-step guide for building a sustainable and genuinely profitable AI chatbot business in today's modern economy. Look, if you've been searching for a way to generate a really reliable monthly income by offering digital services, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to unpack a super comprehensive strategy drawn straight from our source material, and it's designed to take you from just kind of playing around with AI to actually running a professional, high-value service. So here's a massive wake-up call from our source text right off the bat. Just using AI tools is not enough anymore. Seriously, the reality is that simply having access to these tools won't make you stand out because, well, everyone has access to the exact same tech right now. To truly win and stay ahead of the curve in this market, you have to evolve your mindset. You need to step up and become what the source famously calls a smart creator. Okay, so what exactly is a smart creator then? Basically, it's an entrepreneur who leverages AI for all the exhausting heavy lifting, but, and this is key, absolutely relies on human creativity, unique thought, and emotion to deliver the final polished value. That's the secret. This entire explainer is about guiding you through that exact transition. We want to move you from being a basic tool user to a high-value strategic creator who commands a premium in the market. Here is the four-step playbook we're looking at. First, leverage AI tools. Second, add that human touch. Third, pitch local businesses. And finally, charge monthly subscriptions. It's a clear path from raw creation straight to sustainable monetization. Let's jump right into step 1, AI for speed and efficiency. You know, AI's real superpower here is just raw efficiency. It builds the whole foundation of your production engine. Our source emphasizes letting AI chatbot builders handle the tedious heavy lifting. Think about the absolute most grinding parts of building a chatbot: mapping out the basic logic, structuring those initial responses, creating the foundational architecture. AI can generate those basic ideas and complex flows in literal seconds. This is a total game changer because you never ever have to start from a blank page again. By letting the AI do that initial grind, you massively increase your overall production speed, and that means you can take on way more clients without burning out. But pure speed alone, that just makes you a commodity. If you stop at step 1, you're not building a sustainable service, which brings us to step 2, the human secret sauce. Look, there is a stark contrast here. AI gives you the speed, the efficiency, the complex workflows, and yeah, it's incredibly fast. But humans? We add the unique thought, the storytelling, and the emotion required to make an interaction feel truly authentic. The source text explicitly warns that just selling a raw AI chatbot is definitely not enough. You have to inject a distinct human touch into those replies. You have to ensure the bot doesn't just rapidly process a return, but actually makes the customer feel valued and heard. Ultimately, that's the only way a bot can forge a genuine connection with a business's actual customers. So to boil this crucial step down, AI is lightning fast, for sure, but it absolutely cannot copy the human touch. Your actual product, the real thing you are selling to your clients, isn't the underlying software itself, not at all. It is your unique human-led storytelling injected directly into those automated replies. You are the editor. You're the director. You are the human layer that ensures the chatbot doesn't sound like a cold, calculating machine, but rather a warm, engaging representative of your client's brand. Moving right along to step 3, pitching local businesses. So, with our hybrid product ready, this perfect blend of AI efficiency and human empathy, who are we actually selling it to? Well, you need to directly approach local businesses in your area. Think of the cozy cafe around the corner or the boutique down the street. But here's the trick. You aren't walking in there and saying, hey, I have this neat software tool. No way. You are pitching them that AI plus human synergy. You're explaining that you provide a comprehensive, highly customized solution that is going to drastically simplify their daily operations. You're solving their customer service bottlenecks, saving them precious time, and delivering the high-quality outcome of having a smart, empathetic digital assistant working for them 24/7. And that perfectly tees up step 4, building monthly income. This is where we turn a one-off setup gig into a real, thriving business model. The absolute secret sauce to this strategy is making the transition from a one-time fee to a recurring revenue model. Yes, you definitely execute a one-time initial setup for the client to get the chatbot up and running, but the real genius here? Implementing monthly subscription charges. You might be wondering, what are they paying for every month? Well, they're paying for ongoing maintenance and, crucially, those continuous human-led updates we talked about earlier. Businesses change constantly, right? Their offers change, their customers' questions change. By acting as the human editor who continually refines the AI's responses, you provide immense ongoing value. This effectively creates multiple reliable income streams for yourself as you stack more and more local clients. Finally, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the team's smart philosophy. As we wrap up this explainer, we really need to lock in the mindset required for long-term success in this space, because it's not just about tactics. The defining characteristic of joining what the source calls Team Smart is understanding this core dynamic. True success happens when you use AI to enhance your capabilities, not to replace them. It's a subtle distinction, but a massive one. If you try to let AI replace you completely, your product just becomes generic and, frankly, worthless. But when you blend AI's blazing speed with your own unique human creativity, you elevate your entire offering to a whole new level. So, I'm going to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative question to chew on. The modern economy absolutely does not reward people who just know how to press generate on an AI tool. So, will you settle for just generating automated, soulless text, or will you step up, truly embrace the synergy of AI speed and human creativity, and become a smart creator who dominates their local market? The choice is entirely up to you.